when it comes to the erection of scaffolds, dismantling of scaffolds, or even work from a scaffold, if we're working at a height of more than 2 metres, so there's a possibility of a fall of more than 2 metres, it becomes high-risk construction work. So any of that type of work, so when we're erecting, requires a safe work method statement. When we're working from the scaffold and we're more than 2 metres in height, safe work method statement for that works, and then also to dismantling. So to break those down, I guess, from a safe work method statement point of view, we would need one for the erection and dismantle of the scaffold, and then you would also need one from a different trade who was working from the scaffold. The scaffold would be part of the control as outlined in the safe work method statement. And they would generally then require that scaffold to be complete, handrails to be in place, and so forth. Once the scaffold has been erected, generally if it's issued by or erected by a licensed scaffolder, then there'll be a handover certificate with that scaffold to say that it's complete. Once then it becomes a builder's obligation to make sure that the scaffold is maintained. So part of that would be supervision requirements, and also too, when he's inducting his workers, to make sure that they understand what needs to be done with the scaffold. There should be some sort of process put in place that if the scaffold is altered, the supervisor or the builder has been made known that it needs to be altered, so that the appropriate controls can be put in place to make sure the scaffold's been put back together to a complete and satisfactory condition.